All right, good morning, everyone. I had a few questions come in from homework number 40. So the first one that I'm taking on is on page 1. So question number 1, but it was problem 8. So this problem that you're seeing right here. So first off, what I need to know is that I have an inscribed quadrilateral. So in an inscribed quadrilateral, let me just draw this off to the side for a moment. So here is my circle. And here I have an inscribed quadrilateral, like this. So if I label this as A, B, C, and D, so if I look at where B is, that's an inscribed angle, and I've pictured the rays of the arcs looks like this. So I know that its intercepted arc is going from here to here. So I may not know its measure, but I do know that it has to be half of its intercepted arc. And then right here where D is, if I trace the rays here to here, this would be its intercepted arc. So I can see that together their intercepted arcs make up the whole circle. So I may not know individually what their measures are, but I know their relationship. I know that together they have to be half of the whole circle. So I know that B plus D together have to be half of that full circle, which is 360. Okay, so half of 360 gets me 180. So we know that these inscribed angles in the opposite positions, they have to be supplementary. Their measures have to add to 180. So let's start there. So here, if I look at these two angles, I know that x plus 5/4 of x is going to equal 180. Okay? From here, I want to clear my fraction, so I multiply everything by 4. So now I have 4x plus 5x is equal to 720. Okay, and now I have 9x is equal to 720. Divide by 9. So x is equal to 80. So I have 80 degrees right here. And down here, 5/4 of 80 is 100 degrees right here. All right, so the measure of S, I know that already, that is 80 degrees. Okay, what I want also is I want to get the measure of N. So I want that measure here, that's Y. And I also want the measure of NP. So NP, I can get to that right now too, because I know that the measure of S is 80. So if I take a purple pen and I trace here the rays like so and like so, I can see that my inscribed angle, which is 80, has this intercepted arc, NP. So here, if I double 80, I get to 160 right here. I know that my arc, my intercepted arc, is double the inscribed angle, or the inscribed angle is half of its intercepted arc. So NP right here, the minor arc, has a measure of 160. It's less than half the circle, so we use that 2-letter notation. We name it by its endpoints. Okay, and then if I want to go after the measure of N as well, I know that these angles, these inscribed angles, they're in opposite positions, so they sum to 180 as well. So I know that Y plus 4/5 of Y is equal to 180. Okay, clear the fraction, multiply everything by 5. So now 5y plus 4y equals 900. 9y equals 900. Divide by 9, and y equals 100. All right, so n right here has a measure of 100, and then 4/5 of 100 is 80 right here. So the measure of N is 100. All right, I hope that problem makes sense. Have a good day.